I am Steve Mueller, Managing Partner of Syndicate Legal Services. Today's topic, never get an online divorce. Getting an online divorce might seem convenient, but there are several reasons why it may not be the best option for everyone. Here are my 10 reasons not to do an online divorce. First, complexity of legal issues. Online divorce services are typically designed for simple, uncontested divorces. If your case involves complex issues like child custody, spousal support, or significant assets, these platforms may not adequately address your needs, potentially leading to unfair or incomplete agreements. Second, lack of personalized legal advice. Online services often provide generic forms and limited guidance, which may not account for state-specific laws or your unique circumstances. Without consulting a legal professional, you risk missing critical legal protections or making errors that could affect your rights. Third, risk of errors or oversights. Self-preparing legal documents online can lead to mistakes, especially if you're unfamiliar with legal terminology or requirements. Incorrectly filed paperwork or missed deadlines could delay the divorce process or result in unfavorable outcomes. Fourth, limited dispute resolution support. If you and your spouse disagree on key issues, online platforms typically don't offer mediation or negotiation support. This can make it difficult to resolve conflicts without escalating to court, where legal representation becomes necessary. Fifth, potential for hidden costs. While online divorces are marketed as cost-effective, additional fees for filing, notarization, or corrections can add up. If complications arise, you may end up hiring an attorney anyway, negating any initial savings. Sixth, privacy and security concerns. Sharing sensitive personal and financial information online carries risks, especially with lesser-known platforms. If the service isn't reputable, your data could be mishandled or compromised. Seventh, emotional and practical oversight. Divorce involves more than just paperwork. It's an emotional and logistical process. Online services don't provide the emotional support or strategic planning that a legal professional or mediator can offer, which may be crucial for long-term outcomes like co-parenting or financial stability. Eighth, jurisdictional issues. Divorce laws vary by state or country, and online platforms may not fully address the specific requirements of your jurisdiction. This could result in invalid filings or agreements that don't hold up in court. Ninth, inadequate for high-conflict situations. If your divorce involves domestic abuse, power imbalances, or contentious disputes, an online service is unlikely to provide the necessary safeguards or advocacy to protect your interests. 10th, lack of follow-through. Some online services only assist with initial filings and don't guide you through the entire process, leaving you to navigate court hearings or final judgments on your own. If your situation is straightforward and both parties agree on all terms, an online divorce might work. However, for anything more complex, consulting a legal professional or mediator is often a safer choice to ensure your rights are protected and the process is handled correctly. The legal professionals at Syndicate Legal Services and Syndicate Subscription Legal Plans have completed hundreds of divorces, and divorce legal services are included in all individual and family subscription legal plans.